is one of two dump stations. There are 4 stations there on your left, and then off this road to the right, there are, I think, just 2 more up there. This is the first shower house, little playground behind it, and section A, 1 through 34. Over on the left, that's A32, and on the right, this is A4. Little loop here that I have stayed in, A26. A7 directly in front of us, and then A8 if you're following on the map. A25 is on the left. Your men's and women's restroom on the right. If you have small children, you might not want to be back here. That's a drop off to the left. This is a point that comes out and looks over the lake. Alright, back on the main road, leaving A, and just a short ways up, we'll go into our next section. This is section C, 1 through 18. 1 on the right, that's 2 on your right, and this is 18 on your left. It's just a short little section off of the main road here. There are 3 handicap spots right in a row on the left here. Some of these are full. Shower house 2 right off the main road out in front of section C. And we're back out on the main road. This is E1 through 34. 31's on the left. that site right in front of us would be Site 17, beside the men's and women's restroom. That is E5 right in front of you, short pad. These are all kind of short on the left. 21 on the right, yes. And 30 right in front of you. And back out on the main road to our next section. Okay, entering F1 through 71. And that would have been 50 on your left and F1 on the right. So F3 on your right, F4 right around the corner there, F5 and then F6 where that beautiful looking White Hawk is sitting. And another men's and women's restroom back here. Also a fill station right there on the right. F25 right there in front of you. And then back up and around to the main road in section F. Okay, this is F35 on my right. These are also all full hookup on the right, just electric on the left. All full hookup on the right, electric on the left. Let's go on to the next section. that's the largest playground right here on the right, in between section F and G. Shower house number 3 on the right. And let's enter into section G. This is site 2-3 where this little camper is, which looks very cool. So there's another water hookup, water fill station. And that was G53 on the right. G8 on the right. G9 and G10 here at the corner. So this last site here is 49. On the right, there's another water fill station. And on the left right there is site G14. We're just going down the number on the right and up the number on the left. There are a few full hookups on the left, right through here. Men and women's restroom on the right. We're going to take a left here past the shower house and go down to the next section. Those are 3 tent sites with a concrete pad and electric. We have launched our kayaks from the boat ramp here, but I guess you could just go over towards the beach and launch from there so you're not interacting with the boaters. There is a single outhouse on the right, and this is the beach. Sign right there that says kayak canoe launching area. I guess that's where they want you to launch from, not at the boat ramp. So I take that back.
That was the full drive-through of Salt Fork State Park. Remember, the only thing better than a campfire are the memories you make around it. We'll see you later.